Hey friends, if you wish to know what is the most popular thing searched on Bing, then please watch this video. I will guide you through it. So, I found this article on Reddit, and the thing about this article on Reddit is that Google is the most searched word on Bing, and it is significantly searched more than other options. And you know what? They also search for YouTube, Facebook, Google, Gmail, etc. etc. So, this means that Bing itself is not a very popular search engine. It means that Google is being primary search engine, and the reason people are searching for Google on Bing is because when they open their Microsoft Edge browser, Bing becomes the primary search engine. So they're gonna go to google.com and then they will open that and use Google instead of Bing. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.